Yo guys, are you looking to watch movies or TV shows on your Amazon Fire TV stick better than half the other apps, all for free? Check this out. As you can tell, I have my apps and games section here loaded up, and we can see in our shortcuts menu here we got a bunch of applications I bet you've never heard of. We're just going to aim to teach you how to install these first two. By the way, I'm Lee from the Led by the Unknown website, here to help you on your Firestick needs and cut the cable. I'm first going to just delete these applications, and we're going to start this from scratch. So delete that one, delete that one. Make this simple, I'll just delete the two, okay? And we don't take up too much time. So back in the home screen, folks, head to the search icon. Type in Downloader. Now, Downloader is an application that you can get from the Amazon Fire Store or Amazon Store. Click on Downloader there under Search, and it enables us to sideload applications, some people call it jailbreaking, onto our Fire Stick. Applications that might not be available on the Fire Stick or on the Amazon App Store. So click on Downloader here. Now it says I already own it, so yours may not, and it'll probably say get it. So get it, download it, have it installed. Take a moment here, and once it's installed, don't open it quite yet. As you can tell, it says popped up in the bottom corner there, installed, ready to go. Hit the home button. Now head all the way over to the search icon. Mine's a little basketball player there, but the one with the little cog wheel or gear wheel. And come down and look for My Fire TV. Yours may not be in the bottom left corner. It may be up further somewhere. Click on My Fire TV. First thing we should do is make sure our Fire Stick is up to date. So click on About and then check for updates. So mine's already the current version. Yours may not be. Update it now. This will help out with any applications that may be updated earlier or after your update, so you want to make sure that's updated. Back here on the Fire TV settings section, I have developer options listed, and you may not, and don't worry, that's okay. Highlight back into About on Fire TV stick here. Yours may say Fire Cube or 4K or whatever. Use your select button on your remote and select it about 7 to 10 times. Now it says congratulations, you are now a developer. So hard part's out of the way. Under click back one, and then under developer options, which is now there listed, select it. And under install unknown apps, we're going to highlight it and click on it. If it doesn't give you this and it just has this to turn it on and off, that's fine. Different versions have different options here. So on this option, you actually go in and look for the application. So we're going to look for Downloader and turn it on. And this allows Downloader to sideload these applications to get downloaded content onto your Fire Stick outside of the App Store. So once Downloader is on, we can go back to the home screen. Now guys, I really highly suggest you get yourself a VPN, which will safeguard our online activity, which will enable us to see anything that maybe our service provider is blocking. I would highly suggest IP Vanish. IP Vanish is a premium VPN, specially made to work with applications like these. So download, get it, install it, then we can head to our home screen and let's find our applications we just downloaded. Now the best bet to find Downloader, find this 3 square plus sign icon. This icon is your apps and games section. And the last application that you've downloaded, will put it right to the bottom. So as you can tell, Downloader was the last app I downloaded here, and it's right at the bottom. So we're going to use the 3-line button here, and we can move Downloader or move it right to the front. So I'm going to click Move, and it highlights Downloader. And now we can move it right to the front as our shortcuts on our home screen. So we can click it, and there, Downloader is now placed there. beside the rest of the apps, and we can go back to the home screen. Now Downloader's here as our new app store. So let's open up Downloader. It will need access to photos, media, and files on our device, so push allow. A quick start guide here and say OK. And then here's simple screen. We just use it as a simple search box. So push up, click OK, or the settings or the select button on your remote. We're going to type in a shortcut here. It's 3701778, and this will get us to the Led by the Unknown website's download page. So we can click go. There's a quick 5-second redirect. Guys, hit the thumbs up, it helps out. Share this with a friend, please. The one thing I wish everyone do is just share it out, because I know everybody wants this app on their Fire Stick. So this comes to our downloads page in the Led by the Unknown website. You could also type in ledbytheunknown.com and then /downloads/ or just the download.com and find your way in from there. If the little pop-up comes up, you can either use your phone to get a good discount on IPVanish or just hit the little X button there. Now we can come down. If you haven't already done so, use the link in the description below or get out your phone. This is now up on your TV. Take a picture of this QR code. Sign up for IPVanish. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. And this will get you upfront seats to whatever dome you want to watch from. All right. Now let's head down to that. And look for the movies and TV section. So this one's kind of top 5, top 7 applications and movies and TVs, and here's cinema, the first one for us. We can click on it, and this, guys, there's other apps to try and download. They all work really well, so go up and go down. Now this one we can head all the way, we can go down through the page, and here we have the download or a backup, or the ad-free version and its backup. Click on it, it automatically downloads it to your device. And here in the bottom right corner, it says install, so click install. Take a few seconds here to install it. And it's done. Now don't open it quite yet. Hit the done. And then we can delete the installation file because we no longer need it on our device as it's installed the program. Now, like I said, there's other applications. You can hit back to the downloads section and find all these other apps for you. Movies, TV shows, live TV, sports, guys, you name it, it's all in there. Now let's go to the home screen and see what we've done. So we have Downloader here. It's ready to go. Then we can go to the 3 squares plus sign and find our app we just downloaded, which, like I said earlier, puts it right to the back. And then we can hit our 3-line button on our remote. And we can move it. I don't want it right to the front, but close to the front would be good. So I'm going to put it right behind Downloader. And there we go, folks. Enjoy. Happy streaming. Take it easy. Peace. Now, like I said, I would definitely enable a VPN for these applications that we will be downloading. One main reason, they may use your network when you do not want it to while the Fire Stick is asleep. So these apps, these VPN apps can run while the Fire Stick is not on, or while it's in sleep mode, or it'll disconnect the network totally so you don't have to worry about any apps running in the background. So we can click on IPVanish, log in with your credentials that you've used during the sign up process. You will get an email to say, please authenticate my email. So we're good to go. So turn on IPVanish. Once you've logged in, it'll give you your IP address, your location, and a quick connect start spot. If you don't want to connect to, say, like it says New York for me, and it's probably the last place that I was connected to, down on the bottom left, there is the little map icon. You can click on it. And here I already have some favorites. So Los Angeles, because there was a recent main event in Los Angeles, which some of you may have watched. Good fights. Detroit, because it's close. United States, Canada. They're just going to give you the countries are going to give you general locations, as there's countries to choose from, and there are many cities to choose from. So if your event is not in Canada, not in the United States, somewhere else, you can go to let's go find Brazil or something if you wanted to do that. Obviously, we're here to watch the AFC and NFC championships. We'd probably want to go closer to those locations like New York, or maybe even, I don't think Kansas City's on here, but somewhere closer to Kansas City maybe you can find. Okay, so we would select wherever you want to go, connect to your location. And now it says I'm located in the United States. And all is good. All is good. All right, guys, enjoy. Please tell a friend about this. Nothing helps out like word of mouth, okay? Take care. Peace. Happy streaming.